The next question we have is integral of arctan of this function, dx. So what we do here, this function is what? Is differentiable. So we call it what? We call it u. So the u is equal to what? If you differentiate this one, that 1 over what? 1 plus what? 1 plus x squared to what? Dx. Differentiate your u respect to what? To this function. Then the v is equal to what? Is dx. This one. So integrate this place. So we have what? V equal to what? V equal to x. Let's call this one I. So we have this equal to what? Uv. My u is what? My u is uv. That'll be this times this. Then minus integral of v. My v is what? My v is this times the u. The u is 1 over 1 plus x squared dx. So that's what we have in this question. So then the next thing to do now is to now have this minus integral of this one over what? 1 plus x squared dx. So the derivative of this one, derivative of the denominator is what? Is 2x. Okay? But what we have here is similar. Okay? So we are going to force it to be the same. I'm going to put 2 here. And the 2 I'm bringing here, I'm going to cancel it outside. Okay? The derivative of the denominator is 2x. But initially, at the numerator, we have x there. So okay, make that x to be what? To be 2x. And the 2 you brought in, cancel it outside. So the final conclusion will be this. And when that happens, when the derivative of the denominator is equal to numerator, and that will be ln of what? Of the denominator plus what? Plus c. And that finished that question. Okay? That finished that question. Next question.